Let's look at a condition called prominent parotid papilla. Prominent parotid papilla is an anatomical variation of the small mucosal elevation marking the opening of Stenson's duct on the buccal mucosa, opposite the maxillary second molar. It is a normal developmental feature, not a pathological lesion, but may sometimes be mistaken for abnormal growths or mucosal swellings. Let's look at a case scenario. Meera, a 22-year-old college student, visited her dentist after noticing a small raised bump on the inside of her cheek near her upper molars. She feared it might be an ulcer or some abnormal growth. On examination, the dentist observed a well-defined, dome-shaped elevation on the buccal mucosa opposite the maxillary second molar. This was identified as the parotid papilla, the normal opening of the parotid's duct, that is Stenson's duct. The dentist explained that the parotid papilla is a normal anatomical structure, sometimes appearing more prominent in certain individuals. Meera was reassured that it was not a disease and required no treatment. More about prominent parotid papilla. Definition. The parotid papilla is the small mucosal elevation marking the opening of Stenson's duct on the buccal mucosa opposite the maxillary second molar. It is a normal anatomical feature, not a pathological lesion. Clinical features. Appearance: small, raised, dome-shaped or slit-like mucosal elevation. Location: buccal mucosa opposite the maxillary second molar. Symptoms: asymptomatic, patients may notice it incidentally. Variation: prominence varies, in some individuals it may appear more elevated or noticeable. Function: serves as the ductal opening for saliva secretion from the parotid gland. Diagnosis. Clinical examination is sufficient due to its characteristic location and appearance. No biopsy required. Differential diagnosis must be distinguished from minor salivary gland swellings, mucocells, or pathological nodules. Management. No treatment required. Reassurance is the main management step. Awareness of its anatomical role helps avoid misdiagnosis.